The very rich people have an array of super expensive things. Most of us would never imagine that, which is why we tend to regard them with a strange kind of jealous fascination. Let's imagine yourself as a millionaire for a day. What would you like to spend money on? Flying in a private jet, waking up in a multi-million-dollar home, or traveling the world? But if you are a foodie, then there are some more reasons to be jealous. Unless you're among the super rich, these foods will empty your wallet just as quickly as they'll fill your stomach. You are watching Luxury Peak, and in today's video, we are going to take a look at 10 most expensive foods in the world, which are assembled from all around the globe with a ridiculous amount of money. So let's get started and dive into the details. Number 10. Pizza Royale 07. In 2006, world-renowned chef Domenico Carola of Glasgow created a pie intended for his St. Valentine's Day meal, which he named the Pizza Royale 07. Maybe he named this pizza on James Bond because he struggled very hard for all of his ultimate pizza ingredients. The pie's most extravagant topping was caviar, soaked in fine champagne, choice cuts of smoked salmon and lobster marinated in the finest cognac available. Pizza was also assembled with a healthy amount of 24-karat gold shavings. This pie was created to raise funds for the Fred Hollows Foundation, a non-profit with a goal of eradicating preventable blindness in developing countries. At auction on eBay, the pizza brought home a winning bid of $4,200, snatching the record for world's most expensive pizza created by a restaurant owned by Chef Gordon Ramsay. Number 9. Still Fisherman's Indulgence. This dessert was once considered the world's most expensive dessert, and it can only be found in one place at the Fortress Resort and Spa in Sri Lanka. It is simply a traditional Italian sponge cake, but its decoration and filling is so expensive that it is worth slightly less than your average new car. The cake itself is flavored with a fruited fused Irish cream and filled with a mango and pomegranate compound, adorning the dessert with the hand-carved chocolate sculptures of the still fishermen, which can be seen throughout the area, along with the delicate edible leaves of gold. And to top it, the dish is decorated with an 80-carat aquamarine stone. This incredibly flavored dessert is truly one of a kind. But if you want to indulge, bring your platinum card, because this Still Fisherman Indulgence will take a hefty $14,500 onto your bill. Number 8. English Wagyu Beef Pie. The Fensgate Inn in Lancashire, UK is home to the world's priciest beef and mushroom pie. It's a traditional dish enjoyed by Brits of all the stripes, but this version, as you might have suspected, uses slightly fancier ingredients than traditional demands. Pie is stuffed with about $1,000 worth of Wagyu beef, which is only obtained from one of the 4 breeds of cattle native to Japan. The chef then adds exquisite mushrooms, which go for about $1,000 per pound. Black truffles in the requisite gold leaf are then added before marinating the entire mixture in 2 bottles of 1982 red wine, which itself rings up at about $4,200 per bottle. It's then baked inside an expertly prepared crust. The pie is served with champagne and can feed 8 people, which is a good thing, because this is one bill you're going to want to split. The entire pie cost $15,900, or just a little under $2,000 per slice, but the chef claims that it's totally worth it to experience the best beef and mushroom pie you'll ever taste in your life. Number 7. Yubari melons. Melons are something of a delicacy in Japan, since they are difficult to grow there, which can make them pretty pricey. The Densuke, a rare black watermelon, grown only on the northern Japanese island of Hokkaido, is the world's most expensive watermelon, but it was put to shame in 2008 by a pair of cantaloupes which sold for over 3 times above that amount. They were purchased by the president of a Japanese fruit and vegetable packaging company for the equivalent of $29,251. The melons were kept on display for a couple of months before being cut into pieces, which were given away for free to customers just so a few lucky common people could experience the taste of the king of melons. Number 6. The Real Death by Chocolate. The Serendipity 3 restaurant in New York is a landmark, having been featured in several Hollywood feature films and are famous for their frozen hot chocolate. They produced a sundae called the Golden Opulence, which was listed in the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's most expensive dessert in 2004, but it only cost a mere $1,000. The restaurant's owner soon decided it was time to outdo themselves and introduced their frozen hot chocolate, which was a higher-end version of their famous dessert, and it is made from a combination of 28 expensive chocolates from Africa and South America. It's topped with 23-karat gold shavings and a truffle imported from France. And the drink is served in a gold mined crystal adorned with an 18-karat white gold bracelet. Even the spoon is made of solid gold. And yes, you get to keep all the adornments, which is a good thing, because this frozen hottie chocolate will set you back a whopping $25,000. Number 5. The King Taco. If you are looking for a truly singular taco experience and have money to burn, you will want to stop by Grand Villa's Frito restaurant to check out the masterpiece created by executive chef Juan Licuaro. The world's most expensive taco begins with a Kobe beef and langoustine, a type of prawn. Caviar and black truffle cheese are added to the mix along with a salsa made with exotic morita chili peppers. The taco is served in a gold flake infused corn tortilla, and you can see what true luxury tastes like for the low price of only $25,000. As long as you have got that kind of money lying around, you might as well order drinks too. A handcrafted white, gold and platinum bottle of late 925 premium tequila can be served on the side for only an additional $150,000. Number 4. Caviar of caviars. It's made from the pure white eggs of an endangered fish, the albino beluga sturgeon, which is only found in the Caspian Sea. Also, the fish that eggs are harvested from must be at least 100 years old. As you might expect, this makes almost caviar one of the rarest food in the entire world. The white gold holds a place in the Guinness Book of World Records as the most expensive caviar of all time, around $32,000 for just a kilogram of the stuff. So if you have $32,000 lying around, then you can check this out. Number 3. Pudding. This pudding is so special that you have to order it 2 weeks in advance. A 4-star hotel in UK, its head chef Mark knows that his countrymen and women love a good pudding, and for the apparent reason that the very rich ones would need a very expensive pudding to satisfy their taste. With this in mind, he created the fanciest pudding on the planet, made from 4 varieties of Belgian chocolate, which are considered the best. Anywhere infused through this special blend are essence of peach, orange and whiskey, along with edible gold leaf and champagne-soaked caviar. The concoction is served in an edible Faberge egg, and then, just to up the fancy question as much as humanly possible, it's topped up with an actual diamond and it is available for only $35,000. Number 2. Italian White Alba Truffle. The White Alba Truffle, found only in some areas of northern Italy, is one of the priciest food on earth. They are extremely hard to cultivate and highly sought after. But from October to November each year, you can visit the region's truffle fair, which attracts buyers from all 4 corners of the globe. Even regular truffles can fetch up to $300 per pound, but the White Alba, recognizable by its cream-colored flesh and distinctive marbling, is only for those with insane amount of money to burn. They generally go from $3,000 to about $23,000 per pound, and some larger specimens have sold at auction for a truly dizzying sum of money. A Hong Kong real estate investor shelled out $160,000 for a truffle, weighing about 3.3 pounds, and in 2010, a pair of them sold for a whopping $330,000. Before heading to number 1, if you are enjoying the video, make sure to smash that like button and share it with your foodie friends. Number 1. Liquid Gold. The world's most expensive food is actually a beverage, which is from 1907 Hedwig, far from the world's oldest champagne, but it certainly has a more interesting story than any. In 1916, the Swedish freighter Jungkook, which counted several cases of the wine among its cargo, was sunk by a German U-boat, and it remained at the bottom of the ocean for 80 years. Fortunately, these conditions were ideal for champagne storage. The pressure on the ocean floor was roughly the same as the inside of the bottle, and of course, the precious cargo was shielded at about 2,000 bottles were recovered. You can buy the current vintage of the same champagne online for about $120 per bottle. But if you want to try the shipwrecked version, bottles are currently going at auction for an incredible $275,000. That's it for today's video of the most expensive food in the world. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more expensive and luxurious videos like this. And don't forget to watch another expensive video right here. Bye bye.